Hey guys, Lady Locks here, and I've got this new set padlock sent to me by Georgia Jim. Pretty cool looking little lock. It's got the Euro cylinder inside of it, and here's the bitting of the key for that one. Alright, see the key works. I'm going to pop it in this vise just because it's weighs 20 pounds. No, it doesn't weigh 20 pounds, but it's heavy. Just using Newbie Giveaway tension, and I'm going to try the monkey paw. I don't see it needing a long hook just because it doesn't look like it has any real terrible bitting or anything. Oops. Felt like I slid off a pin there. Whoa. Paused my tensioner out, but I think it's open. Yeah, there it is. That was wild. All right, not gonna gut it. I don't know. There's another screw in here, so and obviously it's a different type with the Euro cylinder, and I'm pretty sure you just take this out and whatever. But I am not gonna do that because I don't want to mess it up. I really like this lock. It's a really nice looking lock. So there you have it. Thank you, Jim. Pretty fun lock to pick. I really enjoyed learning it and messing around picking it. This is what I ended up using, the monkey paw and Newbie Giveaway tension. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night. Take it easy.